From London, Global Banking and Finance Awards highlight the innovation, achievement, strategy, progressive and inspirational changes taking place within the global financial community. The awards were created to recognise companies of all sizes who've excelled in particular areas of expertise and excellence within the global financial community. This time we're glad to offer Madina Takaful Insurance an award for services across Oman and the Middle East. Madina offers a range of insurance services. Their high-tech operation means you can insure online in minutes and download your policy wherever you're based. Global Banking is pleased to award Madina an award for Best General Takaful Provider Middle East 2026. Deputy CEO Shakib Mahmood and General Manager Anish Varghese came to London to collect the award and later spoke to me about Madina's impressive success story. Well, gentlemen, welcome to London and thank you for talking to us today. And indeed, congratulations for winning the Best General Takaful Provider Middle East from Global Banking and Finance.
Thank you very much, Phil. It's been an honor for us to be receiving this award from the Global Banking Finance today. But I must tell you that this is our fourth this year. We have received an award for the best insurance company in Oman, the most trusted brand in Oman. And this was a survey done by a publication house where 1 million people participated. And if you assume that everybody has 3 family members, so that means almost 50% of the population voted for us. It's a 6 million population in Oman. So we are delighted to receive this award from you. It's probably the right time.
It's a continuing success story, and that's wonderful. So, Shakib, can I ask you, first of all, what do you think is the growth history of Madina, and what are the key factors that you think have contributed to the company's success in the regional Takaful market?
Yeah, thank you very much. The company was formed in 2006 as a conventional company. But then we decided later on to convert it into a Takaful. As Takaful, you know, the Sharia compliant Islamic insurance type of a company. And the award and the achievements are probably because of our team, the excellent team which we have. But I would say there are 3 major factors in there. One, we have been delivering on our promises always to the shareholders and all the stakeholders. We have paid back almost 80% of the capital in dividends over the last 10 years' time. Our staff is so happy that our turnover ratio is the lowest in the industry. It's about 5 to 7%, whereas normally it's 20% each year. People love to work with us. We have a depth of our underwriting bench. So we provide all solutions to our policyholders. We take care of the policyholder as well as we are empathetic about the claim settlement. We are the company which has settled the biggest claim in the history of Oman. This was almost $300 million in just 1 year and without any problems. So we keep our solvency, capital adequacy, everything in place. Having said that, I think without the team, without the board, without the management, everybody contributing into it, it wouldn't have been possible.
So incredible achievements there and a massive claim, as you mentioned. How would you say Madina Insurance is adapting your products and services to meet the evolving needs, indeed, of customers seeking Sharia-compliant insurance solutions?
Actually, we are very careful about the needs and how people's lifestyle is changing in Oman. We are very aware of it. We keep looking into their needs. We are also very aware of what the regulators want from us. For example, the regulator wants a compulsory medical insurance. We have brought that into place. We have a certification from the regulator, which is the financial market of Oman. We are geared up for the needs of people. We see the lifestyle is changing. They're not looking for only protection. They want now convenience. They want transparency, and all that we are very mindful and developing our product in such a way that they meet their entire needs as such.
Well, Anish, if I can turn to you now. Digital transformation, of course, a major issue in all forms of banking and insurance, and we're all living as part of that technical world now. It's reshaping, of course, the insurance industry globally. I understand that. What role would you say does technology play in Al Madina's strategy for improving customer experience and operational efficiency as well?
Yeah. In Al Madina, in fact, we have heavily digitally integrated all the digital solutions in our all the functional parameters of an insurance industry, whether be it in a underwriting side or be it in the claims side or it in the customer service side. Everything is fully integrated with the digital solutions. So now any of our customers, they can complete their full policy purchase through our digital platform, or even at the time of a claim, sort of a 24/7, they can intimate all the claim through our digital platform, and the full claim processing, it can be done digitally. When it comes to customer service side as well, we have a full-fledged platform for all customer service solution. So we are fully integrated to the digital solution in our day-to-day operation, and thus it helped improve our operational efficiency, and thus it played a vital role in controlling our operational expense.
Excellent. So obviously technology is a thing to the fore and continues to develop. If I can turn to you again, Shakib, the Middle East Takaful sector, of course, is becoming increasingly competitive from what you were explaining earlier on. How does Al Madina Insurance differentiate itself from other providers, do you think?
Well, competition is very healthy. I welcome competition because competition motivates you to do something different, and it keeps you on your toes to always do something different and differentiate yourself. Al Madina, because we have the advantage of the first mover, we were the first company. We were conventional, we converted, so we have gone through the tests by fire, and we know exactly what to do and where to go, etc. The differentiation point is that we are very transparent in our everything we do. All policy terms are explained to our policyholder in a very easily understandable way, not very minor and minute details, but they understand what they're buying. See, in insurance, the trust is the most important thing. If you buy the trust of your customers, they will always come to you. The second thing is, nowadays the finance is moving towards clean finance. People want to do ESG type of things, environment, social responsibility, governance. On all those counts, the Takaful has inbuilt those things. Takaful has this fundamental, it is already in there. The world is moving towards there, but Takaful already has it. So the clean finance is there. We differentiate in that way. We do our claim servicing very, very quickly. We are very empathetic about the claimants. We are always there. We have the NetCats recently, a few cyclones in Oman. We open up our special units in those areas where people were affected. And we were not even taking any documentation. We were immediately serving them. So these counts where we come, the transparency for the people understand, the participants know where the fund is used, how it is used, what we do with that, because you would know in Takaful, the concept is that technically the policyholder can get its money back. If we are making profits, the money can be shared with the participant. It's not unlike the conventional where you just take the money, it goes in your profits. It's the other way around. So if the policyholders know where their money is going and there's a chance that they will get some money back, the faith they have in us is tremendous. And that's how we differentiate ourselves on all those three counts.
And as you're mentioning there, Anish, if I can come to you again, risk management obviously is very important within the insurance industry. I understand that. How does Al Madina ensure strong underwriting practices while maintaining sustainable growth?
Yeah. As you know, insurance industry is an industry which is deal the risk. So yeah, risk management plays a vital role in order to achieve its result for a company. And that plays we have to maintain a balanced style for sustainable growth as well as the risk management. That's very important. So when it comes to Al Madina, we are very careful in choosing our risk. So I can say we will do a portfolio analysis and we are very prudent in risk selection. Then very carefully we will balance our portfolio mix. So we are not heavy on any particular segment. Instead, we have diversified our business portfolio. Maybe thirdly, to have a proper reinsurance structuring, because any insurance industry should be backed with a strong reinsurance structuring. So that plays another important role. Maybe when it comes to another level, when it comes to the actuarial reserving or financial prudence, these are also very important in the insurance industry. So by maintaining a balanced strategy across all these areas, we ensure a sustainable growth by ensuring deliver a result to all our stakeholders.
I would just add on to what Anish said. All of that is absolutely right, but we do not run after business. If the business is risky, we let the business go. We let it move. We evaluate if it is going to ultimately make some profit for the policyholders and the shareholders, of course. Then only we accept it. Otherwise, many instances are there, we will let the business go. So risk management is very core of our business.
And looking at developments, the insurance sector, of course, is evolving all the time. What opportunities do you see for the Takaful providers in the Middle East over the next few years? Not just your company, but others as well.
Yeah, you see, Takaful is a concept which is pretty new to people. Even in Oman, it's an Islamic country. People do not understand how it differentiates with the conventional, etc. So now we are educating people. People have the knowledge about how we are different, how they're participating, because Takaful is based on the principle of cooperation and mutual responsibility. And at the end of the day, it's a pool which is brought together by people. And within that pool, if you use for settling the claims, anything left is for you. You will get it back. This concept is now people catching up. The penetration in the market is very, very low. Except for Saudi, where it's quite high, because I think law requires it to be Takaful. In our country, it's less than 20%. And even some areas, even lesser than that. So huge potential is there to penetrate. We are different from the conventional businesses, so people will be attracted to us naturally. As I said, the clean finance, meaning ESG, is already integrated into it, where the entire world is moving towards it. I see there's a huge potential for Takaful because, one, the mandatory life insurance, health insurance is coming. Life insurance is also moving towards that, because earlier the Islamic concept was they didn't want life insurance. You can't insure anything against the will of God. They used to think that. So we, the name is now family insurance. It's not your life, but your family is insured. There you have huge potential. Then the 2040 vision of the Omani government and the Middle East, they are going to come up with various new projects, which are tourism related, or they are oil and gas, and the other industries, where lots of engineering, the CAR type of opportunities will be there, and the potential is huge.
It's true to say, isn't it, that partnerships and innovation are now becoming increasingly important in financial services,
Correct.
One way or another. Is Al Madina exploring collaborations or new initiatives to expand its reach and capabilities?
Yeah, it's absolutely true. You cannot grow without collaborations. Any company, however old it is, however best it is, the knowledgeable people there, you cannot be masters of all. It's very difficult. So you have to do collaborations. Al Madina has already thought about it, and that's why we are ahead in the game. We have our bank assurance partners, the banks we have tied up with all the banks in Oman. They do our selling of the policies, etc. But we did something very unique. We wanted a penetration into the deeper pockets of population. So we have had an agreement with the Postal Department of Oman, the Government of Oman Postal Department. They are now selling our policies. There is another department called Sanad, which does lots of work for the people, their visas and all that. We have a tied up with them. And in going forward, we would like to do more tie-ups with the IT providers, the data collectors, all those sorts of things. So collaborations are already there, and we are all for it.
Well, that is excellent, because obviously it's looking forward, and let's look forward, both of you, if I may, actually, to what you see as being the key strategic priorities for Al Madina as it continues to strengthen its presence in Oman.
If I may,
Please.
The strategic focus is, first of all, it has to deepen the underwriting profitability. Because without profitability, you cannot do anything. You need money to do everything. So we want to do that more and more. Secondly, we have to improve our position. We are always in the top 3 insurance companies in Oman. We are the number 1 in Takaful, but now I'm talking about the entire gambit of the insurance sector, which includes the conventional also. We are always number 3, number 4, number 2. We want to make a position where we are the leaders in that. Thirdly, actually, we would want a knowledge base to develop. The people should be educated. There should be a professional knowledge about Takaful, so that more and more talent is attracted into it. And lastly, but not the least, we want to continue to be Sharia compliant in the true sense. We want to contribute to our societies, to the environment, and our governance has to be rock solid.
That's absolutely right. And to deliver the results to all our stakeholders. That's our paramount objective.
Excellent. Thank you so much for coming to the studio today. Congratulations on yet another award, and may your success
continue. Thank you very much. Very kind of you. It was a great honor for us to be here and talking to you and receiving this award.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.